Today's short instructional video is going to be how to backwash, and one of the key components of backwashing is using the backwash selection, which is hidden right now by the handle, but also using the sightglass and also reading the gauge, learning how to use the gauge and the sightglass.
We're going to take the backwash cap off here, and I bought this hose separately just to get it away from any structures or whatever, because it will shoot a pretty solid stream out this way. So I'm just going to put this on here like this, just hand tight. It's all you really need. We're going to go from filter, push down. Always when you're moving your 6-way valve, you always want to have the power off. And we're going to go back to the backwash, and then we're going to turn the pump on, and we'll watch the dirt fly. Nothing but yucky water. It's probably 2 days worth of filtration, and it's doing pretty good. Let it run for about a minute or so, a minute and a half, 2 minutes. So it depends on how dirty it is. It's starting to clear up now, so I'll let it run for a few more seconds, and then I will go to rinse mode and make sure we have completely clear water, and then we'll be ready to go back to filtration. Alright, so what we're going to do now is turn it off. We're going to go to rinse mode, which is right here. Always push down and over. And now, power. Let's see how clear it goes. Starting to clear up already. See how clear that is? Let's go back to the sight glass and I'll show you the sight glass. Make sure it's clear as well. Looks like it's already clear. You can see there's nothing in there floating. We've got good pressure. We're in the green right now. So I'm going to go ahead and stop this. I've only run this for about 45 seconds, to be honest with you. It's not too bad. So I'm going to turn it off. I just turned it off. We're going to go back to filter mode. I'm going to disengage here. Put our cap back on. And that's how you backwash your sand filter pump